I'm Lee Pacchia, and these are your Bloomberg Law headlines for the week. First up, the East Coast is still recovering from Hurricane Sandy, but legal issues are already beginning to crop up. Bloomberg Business Week is reporting that the superstorm may cause up to $20 billion in losses, but probably less than half of that is insured. Regular homeowners and renters insurance policies do not cover flood losses, so any damage related to the storm surge could end up costing property owners who lack flood insurance a lot of money. Second, do employers have to pay employees who stayed home because of the storm? The consensus of the legal employment blogging community is yes if the employee is salaried, but no if the employee is hourly. Finally, if your neighbor's tree falls on your home, it's your neighbor who is liable, unless your neighbor is the government, in which case you're on your own. As always, consult a lawyer if you have a legal issue. Also, as the presidential election looms next week, it's no surprise that general counsels are among those making major donations to political parties and candidates. Corporate Counsel magazine reports that Donald D. Breyer, general counsel of California-based Occidental Petroleum, has given more than $40,000. Three-quarters of that sum went to the Republican National Committee. The article also notes that Michael Frickless, general counsel of New York-based Viacom, donated $30,000, all to Democratic candidates. Altria Group's Diane Keene has given $14,000 to a mix of Republican and Democratic candidates. Finally, if you're on Twitter in the midst of a national disaster, don't tweet fake news. That's the lesson for Shashank Tripathi, hedge fund analyst and Republican political consultant. Under the handle Comfortably Smug, Tripathi falsely tweeted during Hurricane Sandy that the New York Stock Exchange had flooded and that Con Ed would cut power to all of Manhattan. New York City Councilman Peter Vallone has asked the Manhattan DA to press charges. After being publicly unmasked by BuzzFeed, Tripathi has resigned from the campaign of a New York congressional candidate, and he's apologized. That brings us to this week's question. Should spreading fake news over social media be illegal? That's our update for this week. I'm Lee Pacchia. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.